Screw Compressor Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global screw compressor market size will be $15,316.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 4% from 2024 to 2031. North America screw compressor market size of $6,126.48 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 2.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe screw compressor market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $4,594.86 million. Asia Pacific screw compressor market size of $3,522.73 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America screw compressor market size of $765.81 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa screw compressor market size of $306.32 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.